Hello, my name is Shanika Hall. I will be presenting Setting the Stage for Success Assignment 1. This part is the classroom environment portion. My classroom is arranged to maximize the space for 28 to 32 high school seniors whose ages range from 17 to 18 years old. It is a heterogeneous class for both male and female students. The class is an inclusion class made up of regular education and special education students. I am the regular education content knowledge teacher, and there's also a special education inclusion teacher in the classroom. In our text, Puckett states that the basic elements of a well-managed and safe environment must be in place before any differentiation is possible. The furniture arrangement in the classroom is situated around each student being able to see the front of the classroom, which is where the whiteboard/smartboard and teacher desk area is situated. As stated by White, House, and Keyes in their 2016 work, appealing and adaptable furnishings enhance these spaces. However, it is more important that there is capacity to reconfigure the spaces to support different types of teaching and learning activities. The individual desk in my class can be reconfigured to create opportunities for group, pair, or individual work. Since the school system has supplied all students with laptops, their desk also doubles as their computer workstation. There's a classroom library with books for independent reading and a reading zone for students to read in a more comfortable atmosphere with plush chair, beanbag, and lamp. There's also a strategy zone for groups to get together during different times in the class to strategize on their project and presentations. The architecture of the room consists of a wall with windows facing the courtyard to let in sunlight, bulletin boards in the back of the room to emphasize what topic the class is currently working on and to showcase students' work. The entry doorway, cabinets, and walls are also useful spaces to add quotes, word walls, author biographies, and other inspirational paraphernalia to help spur critical thinking and creativity among students. This page includes references that were used in section 1, classroom environment, which is this portion, as well as positive behavior environment, which is the next section that I will be presenting. Thank you.